Alright guys, I'm going to show you my grocery haul right fast. I got apples, tomatoes, oranges, variety pepper, lettuce, head, some roasted sunflower seeds. I got flour, black pepper, some strawberry non-fat Greek yogurt, 2 things of unsalted butter, let's see, mozzarella cheese, Colby Jack, sharp cheese, cheddar, and Monterey Jack. I got 2 packs of brownie mix, lactose-free milk, baked cheese crackers, golden round crackers, vanilla wafers, graham crackers. I got this bologna from a different store, Save-A-Lot, 3 dozen of eggs. I got 2 packs of chocolate chip cookie mix. I got strawberries, cherry tomatoes, and spinach. I got a pack of sour cream and onion and barbecue potato chips. I got a bunch of bananas, some avocado. I got some sweet honey ham, some hard salami for my baby girl, chicken breast and turkey breast. I also got 2 bags of chicken tenderloin, drumsticks, and another pack of drumsticks. That's the only size they had. So I got ground turkey, bacon, 2 cucumbers, family size pack of Chip Ahoy. I got my tea, honey. I found this good pomegranate tea, some lemon ginseng, and peppermint. I got some hazelnut spread, some strawberry preserves. I got my honey, some mayo, ketchup, ranch dressing. I got a loaf of white bread, wheat bread, 2 strawberry raspberry lemonades, and a regular lemonade. That is all what I got. I'm about to put my groceries up, and yeah. Guys, my groceries are put away, nice and neat. Over there, up there. The freezer is full, and my fridge looks like I have children and a husband, and I take care of them. I'm about to pour me some water for this pomegranate tea I just got. Wanted to try it out. Listen guys, I haven't had bologna in years, and I just had a taste for it. I bought me a roll, and I got some chips and some cookies, my pomegranate tea. Alright guys, it is early. Well, it ain't early, but I just got up. Making me breakfast sandwich. Listen, y'all, I've been tearing this bologna up. I know everybody gonna be tripping, but I love me some bologna. Yes, 2 pieces. Put this on first, and then I'm gonna put my avocado. Oh, it's gonna be so good.
one's right.
We ride at dawn. No, we're up long before that. Putting in the work, power, our pins off. We don't just ride at dawn. We race at midnight.
Engine protection for the lifetime of your vehicle. Enzor, long may we drive.
All this together is really good. Cheese, mozzarella cheese, garlic and herb spread, avocado, egg, bologna, and tomato. That's why, listen, I'm thinking I'm recording. Oh my God. So this is that one. Oh my God. Let's put some more on. They all are adjustable. Are you kidding? You can wear them on any finger. Well, not all of them are. Is this adjustable? Yes. This one is too. Look. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I love them. Oh, I'm dropping them off. Let me pick them up. Alright guys, this is all of them. They are so pretty. Let me count. Hold on. I forgot how many it was. Alright guys, it is 43 pieces. They are so pretty. I'm going to get the silver set. Next, this is the gold set. It is so gorgeous. Look at that. I flipping love them. Alright y'all, I am here at Nail and Spa. I'm gonna get my feet and nails done after I don't know how long. But I got my snacks. And yeah. Alright y'all, I'll see y'all in there. I'm here at Nail Spa getting my nails done. And yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. Get my chips.
Your voice recording wasn't up. I should hang up. What am I doing? I feel kind of dumb, but I miss you. I've been thinking about you, and I've been thinking about us, and how much I miss your touch. I miss being around you, hearing your laugh and holding your hand. I think of you every day. I hope and I wish that you're doing okay. I want to go back to the old days because I miss you. And I just thought of you, so I thought I'd call you to tell you that you crossed my mind, and I took that as a sign that I should call and say hi. I hope you don't think I lost my mind. I hope you don't think I'm crazy. This message is getting long, so I should just say bye. But the idea of you listening to this, the thought of you
I'm in your
on
city tonight, and these lights make me feel so inspired. You ain't higher and higher and higher.
grocery. So I got some certified Angus beef fajita mix. I got 4 bottled waters. I have a veggie pasta. I also got some green beans, 3 cans, 2 cans of spaghetti sauce. I got a thing of honey roasted mixed nuts, a box of thin spaghetti. What else? I got 3 bags of Pokemon white cheddar popcorn. I got 3 bags of the Cheez-Its. I have a thing of buns, 2 yogurts, and a thing of cinnamon roll bites. And I also have True Mood chocolate milk. And I wanted to show you guys what I got from Amazon. Let's see what I got. Okay. I got this from my microwave, y'all, because I am tired of cleaning it out. Do y'all see that? And then right here, you put the water in there. Yep, you put that water in there. And here's some vents for the steam. Oh my goodness. I love this. Yep. Okay, that is that. And I got this kit to fix my glasses, honey. Let's open it up. I need to try to fix my glasses. See? Come with the little screws. Some pointed tweezers. A baby screwdriver. A portable screwdriver. And a flathead. And it also got the glass thing in there, the wire. So yeah, that is what I got. I'm about to put this food up. And find me something to eat. Alright y'all, we are here at this festival, a fall festival. We finna go see what's going on. All the little boardwalk in the park. I'm trying to find some food. I guess it's for the kids, but shoot, I want me something to eat. I think this more for little kids. Let me go look at some jewelry. Got some loafers. These are cute. $40 though, not that cute. Oh, I like these. 29. $29. These are $39. Those are cute too. Oh, these bags are gorgeous. Oh, oh, I like that one up there. That's pretty. It's so cute. Oh, look at that bracelet. Yeah, listen,
I
you
like this one too.
I don't like when you like the same thing. Oh, look at these, Andy.
It's cute. I like these a lot.
Them is earrings?
They're bracelets.
Oh, and they're elastic. Oh, these t-shirts ain't up for $9.99. They are nice and, ooh, they cool too. Feel them. Nice and cool. We're out here and make sure, and I just want to show y'all this. It is so pretty. The kids out here playing. The weather is perfect. So pretty. And they just had the game up there. So yeah, it's nice. We on our way home now. See y'all when I get there. We finna watch some movies, pop some popcorn.